Hey guys, it's me, Sigma. Today I'm here to teach you how to be a criminal. Lesson 1, How to Microwave People.
Hey guys, it's me, Alvin. I'm here to teach you how to microwave people. Step 1, buy a microwave. Step 2, grab your friend.
Hey guys, it's me, Theodore. So I was told to teach you guys how to make food.
Actually, no, we are going to microwave you.
OMG, no please nitrogen monoxide.
Sigma, get a microwave.
Okay.
What nitrogen monoxide, Alvin? We are brothers. Don't do this asterisk crying emoji face asterisk.
Okay, I have a microwave.
Ha 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 ha.
Asterisk is dying in microwave asterisk. Asterisk dies asterisk.
And that's how to microwave up a dish, Sigma. Let's now eat our food.
Oh, okay.
M.
Cutely eats Alvin. Oh no, he Popo is here, I gotta go.